Tell me why I woke up at like 7 a.m. and my first thought was, why don't we bake some cookies? I think the Christmas spirit has really gotten into me. I've really embraced the holidays right now, and I'm just so gosh darn excited for the holidays. So I woke up at 7 a.m., started to bake cookies, and I decorated the kitchen a little bit, which actually made me realize as I'm doing this voiceover, I have not decorated the house for the holidays yet, guys. So I'll have to do that in the next vlog.
Ready?
What is the date today? 12? Is it the 12th today?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go ahead and open it. Wrong. Oh, yeah. No, you got it the right way. Ooh, an umbrella, I think.
Yeah.
Or an icicle?
I don't know what it is. It looks like an icicle, but with an umbrella stick.
I think it's supposed to be like an ornament, right?
Oh, yeah.
Cute. Wow, it matches. What is it?
It's like a little teeny, tiny crankbait.
Nice. Cool.
It's so little.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to VLOGMAS day number 15. That was 5, 10, 15. Anyways, this morning I got up nice and early. I edited a vlog for yesterday that came out this past Saturday. It should be Sunday morning now. It's actually Thursday. I'm filming ahead of time. You guys already know this, that things go out on time. So anyways, I did my performance yesterday, so hopefully it went okay. I haven't done the performance actually in real time right now, but when this video goes out, my performance would have been done. So fingers crossed it goes okay. But anyways, this morning I woke up nice and early, edited my vlog, I baked cookies, I cleaned up the kitchen, and yeah, I'm going to get ready to do a little bit of Pilates, and my knee is feeling a lot better. It's feeling a lot better compared to how it was 2 days ago. I think I just like twinged it the wrong way. So I'm going to do a little bit of makeup and then do some Pilates, but I think I'll do my makeup on the floor because I'm a floor makeup girly. I feel like I was just here, but I honestly feel like I've done a lot this morning, and then I look around the house and I'm like, I haven't made the bed, I haven't done the little laundry I said I would do, I haven't cleaned up my stuff, and I haven't gotten ready, and I haven't filmed a video, but that's because this morning I did a lot of work that doesn't show. Do you know what I mean? Like I edited my vlog, did my thumbnail, filmed some other content, posted on TikTok, Instagram, just dealt with that. And now I have a bunch of content for that and those platforms, but it doesn't show in the house. It doesn't show like when I'm looking around, and it feels like I've done nothing, but I know I've done a lot. So anyways, like I said, I'm gonna do some makeup, and then probably, because I'm kind of motivated to film some videos to get them done, because I know the holidays are going to be so busy, and in particular, the next few weeks are going to be incredibly busy, A, with work, and B, personal life. So I want to make sure that my ducks are in a row and I have everything planned out and ready to either post or just to go before holidays happen. I'll be traveling over the holidays as well, so I just want to make sure everything's in line and in order, and that means getting content filmed and scheduled as well, which are again things that you don't see, and it doesn't feel like I did a lot of work, but I know it was. So here we are. I'm going to film that Pilates workout, probably like an easy 10-minute one because I filmed a 20-minute one, and I want to kind of build up some kind of plan for the new year because I know a lot of people are so motivated with New Year's resolutions, and I want to help you guys. So comment what kind of workouts that I should focus on. I already uploaded and saved and scheduled a video for the 1st of January. Let me know if you want more stretching, more strengthening, more ballet classes, whatever you want, let me know because I would love to help you guys out as always. But anyways, I also have to clean up the house before I film any ballet content because I like filming my ballet stuff downstairs because I have more space, but it's a mess right now downstairs. The kitchen's great, but the living room, she's a little bit scary, so probably won't film a point class just yet, but I know that's one thing people really want, and I want to do it as well. The only thing is my shoes, A, are not the best right now, and I kind of want to save them for my performance this Saturday because that's priority right now in terms of ballet stuff. And B, I again don't have the space, so I will film a point class though, probably for the new year, like a follow along point class. It's been a while since I've done one of those, so I'll definitely add that to the list. But today I'm feeling like maybe doing some core and upper body because the other video that I did was like lower legs. And then tonight I have to teach from, I want to say I teach online from 3 to 4 or 3:15 to 4, and then I teach in person from 4:15 until 8 o'clock. But The forecast isn't looking the best, but it's honestly been clear right now. So play it by ear. Blah, blah, blah. That was not English. We will see what the forecast actually is going to hold for us. And I'll keep you guys posted and take you along with me. Okay, there we go. I'm going to quickly make the bed and then get changed to film a workout. So obviously I need to get changed from this into a workout set. So let's get changed. I don't think I've ever actually worn this as a set together. I've always either worn the top with something else or the bottoms, but they're both from Popflex. I absolutely love the color and love the feel. These pants are actually like a seamless pair of pants. They don't have like a front seam, which is really nice. I also just love the top, and I love the way it's cut here because it doesn't give me that armpit, but it's a lot wider, and I feel like I have wider shoulders and a wider rib cage in general, so it just fits me really nicely, and I think it's really flattering here at the waistband. So I'm gonna wear this while I do my workout. All right, guys, I just finished filming a 10-minute core workout. It's chilly. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's snowing a lot as well. Also, I love this fit. I need to show you guys. Look at this top is from Popflex. The pants are from Popflex. The sweater is from Popflex. It's just so cute. Love it. But I'm gonna make some lunch because it's already 12. Wow. So I'm gonna, oh my God, what happened? That's okay. I also just love gold and brown together. I feel like it's a vibe. So let's make some lunch. I don't really know what to make. Let me look in the fridge. All right, I think I'm gonna go with an easy solution. I'm gonna make burgers. We also have some frozen fries. I might just throw in the air fryer or the oven because we only have like so long at lunch because I have to go either into work or online to teach. Regardless, I would teach online at work or I would teach online at home if classes get canceled, if it continues to be crazy snowy. But I'll keep you guys posted, and I'm gonna make some lunch now, like I said, so that I'm ready to go if I have to go, or I'm ready to teach for when I have to teach regardless. I love these burgers as well. I wish they didn't have as much plastic. I just realized they're each individually wrapped. Good to know. Either the air fryer or the oven. Maybe let's do the oven. I feel like it's the easiest one, although the air fryer would be quicker. These are actually really good burgers. I'm gonna throw on some barbecue sauce, some Japanese barbecue sauce, and then call it lunch. I'm going to also cook this broccoli because we need some healthy greens on the side. So we're gonna have burgers, fries, broccoli, and salad, which I feel like is pretty good. And I usually just put the whole broccoli, including the chunky stem part, because why would I waste that? It's still good food, you know? I just do like to cut that was not English. I do like to cut it into smaller pieces. I feel like the smaller pieces, A, help it cook faster, and B, they're just easier to deal with. The only thing I don't eat is like this part because it's like pretty nasty. I love this sound. Are you ready? Listen. Sizzle. The barbecue sauce is interesting. It's got like soy sauce in it, and I feel like it's heavy on the soy, A, because I didn't shake it enough, and B, it's supposed to be like a Japanese inspired barbecue sauce, but it smells really good. This is the barbecue sauce that we're trying out. Again, it smells really good. So it was snowing quite a bit. It stopped now, which is good. Fingers crossed it stays that way. I really like the taste of the salad. I know, you know, homemade salads are better, whatever, but I find if I buy greens, they go bad so quickly because both Steve and I are super busy. I could make one at home, but it's still the same packaging. You still buy like the salad greens and it's still so much plastic. You buy the dressing, it's still plastic, this still plastic, but at least the food doesn't go bad and go to waste, because I find if we get our own greens and own ingredients, I'll forget about it in the fridge and then they completely go to waste. Also, this is totally gonna boil over. So today was actually a super chill day because it was snowing so much. There wasn't really much we could do. We couldn't go out and run errands. I couldn't go out and go to the post office even because it was like complete whiteout conditions and classes were canceled. So I had some strawberry matcha. It was so delicious. I've never tried putting it in the milk frother, but that's the only way I'm ever going to have matcha again. Wow, that worked super good. Quick taste test. Oh my God, that's so good. I've been doing matcha wrong this whole time. All right, guys, we're about to do a Pilates workout
You
together.
can film it.
Okay. I might. Maybe I'll do a time lapse. My Pilates experience is that I like to light a candle, make it all cozy in here, dark, and keep it vibey. So let's do that. This is an express Pilates workout. Let's start. That Pilates class was really fun. I did a Move with Nicole 20-minute express Pilates. It was very heavy on the core, which I didn't realize it would be. I should have read it better. But I already did like a 10-minute core workout today. So I was like, whew, my core is going to be sore tomorrow. But that's good. I need it. So let's go and make dinner. It is 6:30 right now, which means it's dinner time. And if you couldn't tell, classes were obviously canceled. So that's the reason we had time to do a workout. Guys, I feel like the majority of the vlog was in the kitchen, and that's just because the majority of my day was, because on snowy days, what else can you do other than bake cookies and make yummy food and stay warm and cozy? I sauteed up some veggies and had some mulled wine. Crying. They're not finely chopped, but I cannot chop no more. They are too tear-invoking. Oh my goodness, these onions were so potent, but they were so good. I also tried this seasoning that I got from Costco the other day, and overall, this was like a 10 out of 10. I really like this pan, by the way. Thanks, Mom. Shout out, Mom, for getting me a Le Creuset. And I know today's vlog was super short and not super eventful, but that's just honestly what my life was that day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Until next time, which is tomorrow, stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.